were most of the people, most of them killed by some illegal sins. Because of the sinners say that I don't deserve it, means that they feel like they don't deserve it. But I say everybody deserves anything. Yes. Everybody can have everything. But the sinners say that on the song, on their philosophy, and the people imitated them. Very careful, you deserve it. You deserve to speak like native speaking. Okay? Deserve means that you have to pay the price. Okay? If you pay the price, you deserve it. It means that everybody did it. Everybody did it. Okay? Everybody wanted it. I want to speak like those American people. What is the price? Time. If you don't want to pay the money, check, pay the time for yourself. Okay? Pay the time. If you spend a lot of time to master it, it means that you deserve it. It's up to you. You deserve it. You're worth it. You got the meaning of the worth. Yeah. And that's why I say everybody deserves it. If you don't deserve it, it means that you don't care about it. You don't care less. You don't want to spend time with it. Me, I deserve beautiful dear. I deserve a lot of money. You see? That's the deserve. I deserve beautiful cars, beautiful life, millions of people excited in my lifestyle. I deserve that. Because Lord, pay attention on that. That's what I need so much. That's what I need more people. I need more people. Because Lord, people brings me money. If I love people, people love me. I give them something for free. They listen to me. I sell them something. They buy from me. They make money. If you want to make money, love people. That's the key. If you want to make money, love people. Help them. Resolve their problem. That's it.
So you do this to help them on their problem. You must know what their problem and give them the solution. This is the solution. It's your job. But I have a lot of money. And the most important thing is in our life is we have to know what we love. We have to know what we want. Then we're doing the things we love. In that time, we know where
just believe me, never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. What was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me.
I'm suffering every day. I'm suffering every day.
Brand and damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility. They're basically unwilling to put in the hours in case they get some power. Take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, look until you're prouder, and fuck all the doubters. They're just young doubters. I swear to God they all let me down. I chose not just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns. We're all taught they deserve it now.